Okay, so I've had the LS400 stumbling issue where you replace the caps. Well, most times that'll work, but in my case, as you can see here, I did have corrosion, and you can see a trace that runs right underneath where all that slag showed up, and you can see how that trace might have been damaged, which it was in fact damaged. So if you follow that trace to that test point, well, it's not test point, it's a via, but anyway, the continuity between that point and this point where that trace starts wasn't. It was disconnected. So followed that up. I looked at where on the other side of this board it led to, and it was this R448, this little you can see the little via there, and then just to the left is where I followed it. It connected to this side of this resistor. So I think that was the issue, and hopefully this fixes the stumbling. So if you're replacing caps and you still have problems, just know one of your traces probably got chewed up, and you got to make one of these ghetto wires.